In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Sierra Chart with Apex Trader Funding. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside Sierra Chart is you want to select the global settings up top over here, and then you want to go to the third thing over here, which says data/trade service settings. Click on that, and then in here, you're going to have to do a bunch of different things, okay? So follow me very closely. The first thing you want to do here, it's going to say current selected service and then list. Here you have to basically select Rithmic. So click on this drop down arrow, look for this one, which is Rithmic Direct, DTC, okay? So just click on this one, and then here you want to click on OK, and then it's going to ask if you want to translate the symbols. I'm just going to do yes for now. There we go. And then you're going to get this pop-up, which you can close. And after that, of course, you can go ahead, click on the global settings again, and then go back into data/trade service settings. And here you now have your Rithmic, okay? Now in here, you're gonna have to basically change a few different things. The first one inside service settings is server. So here, click in the empty space next to server and then list. And here you must find your Apex server, okay? So if you're using Apex Trader Funding, of course, you're gonna be given a specific server. And here, if you go down a bit, you'll be able to see Apex. There we go. So there's a bunch of different ones. Depending on which one you are using, you can just click on the one. I'm gonna go for the Chicago area right now, okay? So that's the first thing you actually have to do. And then after that, you will have to go inside trading username. So in here, you have to enter in your Rithmic trading account username. Now, make sure you actually do it correctly because this is case sensitive, and make certain, of course, symbols that you put in here, of course, in the case you should be doing them, okay? So your broker is going to give you a specific username and password. Make sure it's case sensitive. That's all I want to say here. Now, when it comes to password, of course, you have to do it the same way here as well. Again, type in your password. You can show it over here, so you'll be able to do it more easily. And then after that, in here, you can see the market data username. Now, when it comes to market data username, you have to enter in your Rithmic market data account username again. And this also is case sensitive. Of course, everything is in here. And then here, where it says market data password, of course, you have to again put in your Rithmic market data account password, okay? And then you have to do the same for your historical data username and historical data password. And then over here, if you want to download these historical order fills, of course, you can do that as well if you want to. It's completely up to you. You can do either yes or no. That's up to you. So that's pretty much all you have to do for these common settings, basically. And then what you have to do next is click on apply all and then click on OK whenever you do it. Of course, I have not connected, so that's pretty much how it is. And then once you do that, it's going to close. And then if you're not already connected to the data and trading servers, you have to select on file top left, and then you have to basically click on the connect to data feed button, okay? So after you do that, of course, this button is down below. Then whenever you do it, you'll be able to see you're now connected to your Apex Trader Funding account using your Rithmic Trader, okay? So that's basically how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.